Hey guys, today I'm installing and reviewing the Instant Half Up Half Down from Sensationnel. So I saw this advertised in May and they were advertising it so much and it really looked like a great concept. So I wanted to try it out. I went online and I looked for color 1B sold out. All the natural colors are sold out. So the next best thing was this ombre color. So that's why I have this color. So basically I just sectioned my hair into two halves. The back is going to be a bun, the front is going to be a ponytail. So this is the back piece. This is the first half. It's like a half wig basically, and it has combs, two combs on the top, one on the bottom, and then a drawstring on the bottom also. So I just attached it on top of my bun. I put the two combs up top and then put the comb in at the bottom, and then I pulled the drawstring so that it was snug on my head, and it actually was a good fit. If you need to use bobby pins to secure this down some more, you should, because the sides aren't secure. So I would suggest using bobby pins. This is so cute. So now we're going to do the top half, and I'm going to just smooth up the top half using my Murray's Edgewax just to re-smooth and make sure that top part is shiny and slicked down so that it looks nice, because this is a concept you will use if you can't do your hair for the day or somebody else can't do it. You would do it just like this and your hair would be nice and set to go for whatever event you have to go to. Yeah, so I'm going to just secure that with the pony elastic, and then I'm going to just wrap my hair around the bun so that I can get it condensed. And this is the other half of the Instant Half Up Half Down. Notice that the ponytail part only has this one comb. I don't know if I like that. And also the sides, they don't have any velcros, so you're not able to secure it and really feel secure once you flip it on. So here you see I'm just putting it around the bun, but there's no velcro or anything or any snaps, so I had to use the tension of this straight hair piece to basically make sure my hair is really on and it won't come off. So I don't really like that about this, and also I don't like that the piece is a straight piece, but it ended up looking nice. I used bobby pins to secure down the ponytail piece. That's the only way I felt like this would be secure. I couldn't just leave it on with just wrapping that straight piece around. So the hair is really soft. It's really easy to install. It just took me 10 minutes to install. The curls look nice. I wish there was a more natural curl that they have, but you know, it is what it is. But this is the curl that I chose in the color. They were out of color 1B, so I had to get the next color that I would wear. I do like how easy it was to install, but this straight hair part, I didn't like that. It doesn't really blend with the texture. It would be cool if there was like a twist out textured one or afro kinky one texture, like you know the bundles, afro kinky bundles people have. It'd be great if there was one of those. But this was cool to do, really quick. It's something that's quick to do, like if you have to do your hair the day of and you know somebody can't do it, then you can do it. You can just really slick your hair up and install this and go about your day. So I put mine towards the front, like I flipped the ponytail piece back and then folded it towards the front and wrapped it, so that's why it's hanging in my face right now. So if I did it this way, then the hair would probably be like this, but it's all going into this direction and I like it. It's cute. I like the direction. So yeah, all the other colors were sold out. I got this on Amazon and I'll link it down below, but yeah, it was sold out on a lot of websites because I guess they're advertising it well, and it's a great idea. It's really quick to put in, so yeah. Thumbs up this video if you loved it. Check out more hair videos on my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.